AAG's aluminum profiles, widely applied in numerous landmark buildings around the world. Creativity is our link to the world. We create comfort with eco-green. We protect the environment through energy conservation. We focus on the application of aluminum profiles, but we pay more attention to the environment and you. We are AAG. We design and manufacture high-level, sophisticated, and advanced aluminum extrusion profiles for global aluminum profile markets. We bring convenience and environmental protection to life. We create more possibilities for the future. Our exploration of aluminum profiles began in 1991. AAG is one of the largest scale and the most sophisticated equipped factories in the aluminum processing industry in Asia. It has nearly 30 years of industry experience. It focuses on aluminum product development, user experience, and innovative design. Scientific optimization of the entire production process and quality assurance. Accredited by numerous authoritative organizations with certification and affirmation. Multidimensional international orientation, leading the market with innovation. We have full knowledge of aluminum profiles, yet we care more to fulfill the needs of our customers. AAG provides materials for research and development of high-precision aluminum profiles. On this basis, it launches a complete product system in this industry. It develops design of new aluminum alloy doors and windows for projects according to the demands of customers. AAG's extrusion products are widely applied in various fields. It promotes the production of solar photovoltaic aluminum profiles. It designs and develops aluminum formwork for application in the construction industry. Our continuous innovation stems from our committed exploration of aluminum profiles. We are constantly exploring the potential of aluminum profile production and development. We are enhancing the unlimited upgrade potential of the products themselves. We are building remarkable products from parts to all-around excellence. We are launching high-end products for aluminum villas and mobile aluminum houses. Innovative technology creates more value. Launch new brands of Alu Partners and Alu household products. Committed to providing eco-residential solutions for the world, reshape a new era of application and development of aluminum profile industry. Through committing exploration and innovation, AAG is committed to contribution of aluminum profiles to global sustainable development. AAG is creating more possibilities for the future. AAG aluminum profiles build the world, drive the future. Asia Aluminum Group.